This is a story about change, about accepting challenges, exploring possibilities, and taking action. Making a change to improve health, well-being, lives. Ito ang kwento ng Generica Drugstore.
Araw-araw ko kailangan maghanap buhay para sa pamilya ko. Pero minsan po, kahit sa pagkain, mahirap pagkasya ng kita ko. Paano pa kaya pag magkasakit ako?
You and me, our needs are all the same. We need to be in good health to enable us to face each and every workday. But for most of us, getting sick can be dreadful, especially if we have meager means to get well.
Mahirap pong alagaan ang sarili at bantayan ang kapakanan ng aking pamilya. Kung di ako malusog, sana nga po may mas mura pang paraan para mapangalagaan ko ang aking kalusugan at makaiwas sa paggastos para sa mahal na gamot.
Close to a decade ago, Generika Drugstore was founded to address the sad plight of many Filipinos. Low-income families can't afford basic medications because they were expensive then.
I was about to retire from Ayala after working 30 years there and looking to a leisurely retirement with some small business on the side, when Julian, married to the niece of my wife, came to me and said that he was very concerned about many employees of our microfinance foundation who were buying expensive branded medicines, but they could not really afford them. And he said, nakakalungkot naman na ang daming Pilipino, ganon din ang ginagawa. So ang sinabi niya sa akin, why don't we together form an enterprise to address that problem? And that was how Generica was formed.
With no medical background among its stockholders and no experience in the drugstore retail business, the two took a leap of faith towards their missionary vision: to promote the use of generic medicines and be the champion for selling quality and affordable medicines. Forming Generika Drugstore in 2003, the first ever chain of drugstores that focused on dispensing generic medicines was the beginning of an advocacy that continues to this day.
From the beginning, we wanted Generica to be customer-centric. We know who our customers are, primarily all those who need affordable medicines. But we believe that all Filipinos, regardless of economic status, can also greatly benefit from generic medicines. So our purpose is to serve our customers well in a friendly and professional manner. We want them to feel welcome and appreciated. Generica, it's a business, yes. But at the end of the day, we're all driven by a desire to serve the people and to help the community as a whole.
Generika Drugstore takes pride in providing superior customer service. Air-conditioned branches are designed to maintain the efficacy and potency of medicines and provide a comfortable environment for customers. Frontliners are trained on providing customers with patient counseling. Generica carries a variety of medical products, not only generic medicines, but also select branded medicines, medical supplies, nutritional supplements, and other basic consumer goods. Additional medical services like free blood pressure monitoring and blood sugar testing are also being offered in the branches at very minimal cost. Through Generic Card, the store's loyalty card, customers can earn points for their purchases. Points can be used to purchase products or exchanged for special rewards. With 16 company-owned stores in 2008, the company felt ready to take the next big step to expand the business more aggressively.
In 2008, we decided that we would franchise Generica to expand much faster. And from a deliberately slow start, the pace of Generica's expansion has truly accelerated through our franchisees. It added to our experience as a company, and customer confidence also grew. Through franchising, we've been able to grow at the rate of more than 100 stores per year.
Generica has collaborated with several industry leaders, using its competitive advantage in the field of IT in its aim to provide practical and innovative services to its customers and growing number of franchisees. Generica has become the first drugstore in the country to load prepaid mobile phones via point-of-sale technology when it started offering iLoad, a proprietary mobile reloading service in partnership with the country's 3 major telecommunications networks, Smart, Globe, and Sun. Generica also offers a unique product called MedPadala EGC, which is an electronic gift check for medicine purchase in any Generica branch. Beneficiary of the EGC can use it to purchase medicines and related items at Generica. This is a practical way of sending medicine allowance to loved ones and make sure that the money will be spent for medicines.
We strongly feel that we should not be constrained in following the traditional ways of conducting the drugstore retail business. So we are always looking to partner with many companies and institutions to better serve our clientele's needs.
The success of Generica's business model and the management behind it can be summed up by the awards and accolades that the company received in the years after. From its humble beginnings in 2003, Generica continues to set its footprints in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao by putting up more branches not only in key cities and municipalities, but also in small towns and barangays. All these through its partnership with its growing number of successful franchisees. Investing in a chain of drugstores with a trusted and catchy name, Generica, spells many benefits to potential franchisees. A pioneering position in the generic retail distribution business with a wide range of quality generic medicines. A clear emphasis on building an image with superior customer service, air-conditioned stores, and fully computerized operations. An automated information management system which can accept online orders from franchisees and generate automated alerts in the stores to the Generica commissary if franchisee stocks are low. A central commissary which provides franchisees with services such as inventory management, product sourcing, logistics, and distribution of medicines. One advantage of having a central warehouse is that medicines sold at the store are of high quality, since Generica only sources its medicines from reputable drug manufacturers and suppliers, and a passion to provide more for its customers through pharmacy counseling, free medical checkups, and other community outreach programs.
What I really like about being a Generica franchisee is the many forms of support and assistance that I get to manage and expand my business. Example, when we were starting, Generica helped me screen all the personnel that I was considering to hire. I also enjoyed the training on technical matters like knowing more about the products or services and the promotional activities because I was able to customize my offers based on kung ano yung malakas sa branch ko.
Generica franchisees are provided with the following support, such as free training of all store personnel. The training department constantly works on the enhancement of technical knowledge and skills of the franchisee's store personnel. Regular training is conducted for new products or services. Continuous search and introduction of the latest generic medicines available in the market. Online alerts for ordering of stock replenishments. A state-of-the-art point-of-sale system exclusively developed for Generika Drugstore's franchisees to provide them with timely reports on stock levels, as well as efficient order-taking system. The POS is constantly being enhanced to become an effective management tool for franchisees to better manage their own Generica franchise business. Regular communication for marketing and operations-related concerns. Generica takes pride in having field personnel who assist franchisees on promotions and operations-related issues. Regular visits are conducted by these Generica personnel. Local store marketing support. Generica provides assistance to franchisees who would like to initiate their local store promotion activities.
I went with Generika Drugstore and so far, I feel tama naman ang desisyon ko. Investment in a Generica franchise is more affordable than you think. Biro mo, kumita na ako at nakatulong pa ako sa kapwa ko. Curious about my investment? The total investment cost is divided into 2 components. The franchise package ranging from 700,000 to 1.3 million. It depends on the type of outlet you like to open, regular or small town or drugstore conversion. The franchise package includes a franchise fee, of course, that gives you computer hardware and operating system licenses, free use of the proprietary point-of-sale system of Generica, which helps you manage your sales transactions, inventories, and facilitate customer service, and is regularly loaded with new features and modules. Security deposit or commissary, which is refundable, initial inventory of 200,000 to 300,000, pwedeng deferred payment, pharma supplies, marketing supplies and sound system, operation supplies. With the essentials in place, all you think about is the infra, store signages, space setup and equipment such as counters, shelves, aircon, refrigerator, rentals deposits for your space, government permits, rolling capital to replenish sold-out stocks. Purchasing the Generica franchise entitles you to the following: the right to use the Generica trademark and logo, site market study to evaluate the sales potential of your proposed location, architectural, store design and construction assistance, HR support in the recruitment of store personnel, classroom and store-based training of your store personnel on pharmacy retailing and management, computerized operations and customer service, regular monitoring of your outlet, ongoing business consulting and guidance, refresher training on new products and services, national and local marketing support, easy stock replenishment and direct delivery to your outlet, updates on new products.
With Generica's franchise system, I was able to manage my businesses better. A couple of months after opening my first store, I set up another one. The rest is history. I now have 11 stores. Management is not a problem. My Generica franchise business works efficiently.
Since 2008, franchising has been and will be the main engine of growth for Generica as the company strives to achieve its vision by serving more communities throughout the country. With close to 500 stores nationwide by the end of 2013, the rapid expansion of Generika Drugstore shall pave the way for acceptance and accessibility to quality and affordable generic medicines for everyone.
Our responsibility is not just in providing generic medicines. We believe it should be a total package, quality products, and quality service, because that will give the utmost good to the Filipino communities. Our vision is to be the leading national chain of drugstores offering affordable, quality generic medicines with superior customer service and a very strong sense of social purpose.